Type.
Yes, Alex. All right, so good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Page 1 and 2. Yes, for today, we'll be discussing about Windows. Windows 10 to be exact, ano?
Yes, I Windows 10.
Yeah, so ganun, no? So bagong topic na tayo for today. But like what we are doing in our class, mag-review muna tayo, no? Let's have a review ng lessons natin last time, no? How so about keyboarding, okay? So balik tayo sa keyboarding muna, ha? Bago tayo mag-start ng panibagong lessons. No, it's okay, okay? So just look at my screen. Yan. So kita nyo naman, ano? So this is the keyboard. So isa-isahin lang yung parts.
Keypad, typewriter,
So this one, yung F1 to F12.
keypad,
Ang tawag
Function keys.
Alright, function keys. And then this whole part, yung nasa next ng nasa right ng function keys.
navigation keys,
Navigation keys. And this part,
numeric keypad,
keypad. Very good. And then ito yung may mga arrows.
Cursor keypad.
Alright, cursor keypad. Yung iba ang tawag dyan ay arrow keys. Okay, arrow. Kasi puro arrows siya, di ba? Then this one, yung main part ng ating keyboard.
Typewriter keypad.
Yes, typewriter keypad. And yung numbers on top of it, ng typewriter keypad.
Number keys.
Yes, number keys. Very good. Okay. So yun talagang mukhang na perfect yung yung ating keyboarding. Okay, so let's locate naman let's locate the special function keys naman. Okay. Ang space bar, describe nyo.
At the typewriter keypad.
Nasa typewriter keypad. Yes, that's right. Nasa taas sa baba.
taas,
Baba.
Nasa baba. Yan. So nasa baba ang ating space bar. How about enter key? Sige nga.
Typewriter keypad.
Okay. Ang location niya, anong katabi niya? Ano nasa ibaba ng enter key? Ano nasa ilalim niya?
shift,
Yes, shift key, no? Shift key. So yan. Actually, dalawa yan. Meron ding enter key sa ating numeric keypad. How about backspace?
Backspace is located in the
nasa
typewriter
taas,
keypad.
It's also in the typewriter keypad. And nasa taas siya.
And nasa taas.
Nasa top right, di ba? Top right.
Top right.
Right. How about delete? Delete naman, delete. Where we can see the delete key or the delete button key.
numeric keypad,
Numeric keypad.
Yes, nasa numeric keypad din siya at the same time over here. But if you're going to navigation
The
key, ang katabi niya ay,
navigation keys.
ang katabi ng delete ay, there you go, that's delete. Katabi niya is end. Yeah. How about escape key?
Escape keys is located in
At
where type function keys.
okay, so nasa top left most siya na ang ating keyboard, di ba? Top left. Okay, top left. Ayun. Nasa corner siya doon. Ano kay next natin? Tab key. Tab. Anong katabi ng tab?
Top locks.
Okay, nasa itaas ng caps lock, ano? At katabi siya ng letter. Ano nasa tabi ng anong letter ang nasa tabi ng tab?
Q.
Yes, letter Q. So ayun siya. So tab key is over there. Nalimutan yung mga sound effects. Lagay ito sound effects pagka nakakasagot. All right. How about caps lock?
A.
A ang katabi niya at nasa ilalim siya ng
Tab.
All right, tab. Next ay shift keys.
Shift is 1.
Yung left shift at saka right shift. Yung una, sasabihin ko na, nasa ilalim ng caps lock. How about the other one, yung right shift? Saan naman makikita yung right shift?
Enter.
Nasa ilalim ng enter. Right, all right. Very good. And lastly, sige, ibibigay ko na to. Yes po?
Bakit po hindi po naganap yung isang shift?
Nagana yan parehas. It's ano lang yan. I don't know, baka sira yung shift nung ng keyboard mo. Pero nagumagana parehas yan.
Wait lang po.
And lastly, ito na, no? Lastly, ang ating control keys nasa magkabilang dulo ng ating keyboard, ng ating typewriter keypad, and the alt keys nasa tabi ng spacebar. Alright? So meron tayong mga special functions ng control and alt, di ba? Okay. So, ito yung samples na control plus P. Ano ang kalalabasan? If you're going to hold control, then you're going to press P. Anong function niya? Naituro ko to sa inyo. Control plus P is?
Print!
Print. Alright. Very good. Print. Alright. Next one tayo. Next one. Control plus Z.
Delete!
Not delete actually. Iba pa. Iba pa
C
term.
is
On.
yan, delete. May delete na din sa taas. Sabi ng power button lang.
Control plus Z is equal to on.
Undo!
Yes, undo. All right. Okay. Control plus Alt plus Delete is anong magpa-pop out dyan?
Control plus CLT is
Task.
Task.
Ayun, na-disconnect si Samina. Naku, nawala. Nalimutan na yung Control Alt Delete. Before kasi yan, Control Alt Delete ay yung reset or the restart na shortcut key, no? Pero pagdating sa Windows 10, siya ay Task Manager. Okay? So magpa-pop up ang Task Manager. Isa pa ha, Alt plus F4.
Nagawa ko yun. Naglag ako dun sa Roblox.
Naglaga ba? So, Alt plus
Ginawa ko
F4.
yung task manager.
So ano nangyari? Ayun, Task Manager ba? Oh. How about Alt F4?
Ikawanan mo sa sound.
Pag Alt F4 naman, it will close the program, okay?
Yun,
It will close the program kung ano man ang inyo nakabukas na program, okay? Or kung wala kayo naka-open na anything na program sa inyong computer or sa inyong laptop, pag pinindot mo yung Alt F4, it will shut down your computer. Okay? Next,
Forever?
not actually forever, but yung time lang na yon. Okay? During that time, if you don't have anything on your computer that's open, and when you press the Alt plus F4, it will shut down the computer.
Yung parang kinlose or
Yes.
Yung sabi mo.
Close niya. So that's Alt F4. Will close the program. Okay. So next sample.
Yung
Alt
ikawan.
plus Tab.
Baka dito.
So it will switch between
Doon mo na siya
open
gamitin.
programs,
Diyan mo
okay?
na gamitin.
So kung marami
Okay lang,
kang
wag mo muna patayin.
programs na naka-open, okay? It will switch switch between them. And okay, so let's naman yung next natin. Hindi ko lang alam kung naginawa niyo to, no? But I told you to try, okay? So if you're going to hold Alt, you hold yung Alt plus 1, 6, and then 4.
Enye.
Enye. Okay, that's right. But is it small or the big letter?
Big.
Actually, Enye, small letter. Okay? And nice try, okay? Tama naman na Enye. So, Alt 164 is the small letter Enye, and the Alt 165 is the,
Big.
okay, tama, big letter Enye. All right. Okay. So let's proceed sa last part ng ating review. The home keys. So ano-ano yung mga home keys ng ating left hand? Left hand, so nakalocate. Ano-ano yung mga home keys ng ating left hand? Starts with the letter A. A.
A.
B, C, D.
Hindi A, B, C, D, okay?
A, B, C, D, F, G,
Anong katabi ng A sa ating keyboard?
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, okay? Okay, malinaw nyo ba nakikita sa ating keyboard, sa screen? Anong katabi ng letter A?
C, S.
All right, S, yan. And then,
D, F, G.
letter D. And then,
F.
F. That's right. So, yan, ano? So, madali nyo malalaman yan kasi, di ba college sa try mo? Nung, when you touch the letter F, anong meron sa letter F? Di ba merong guide? Tama? Di ba merong guide siya na naka-embossed? Mararamdaman ng ang finger mo yan eh. So how about the right hand? Ano naman mga letters sa right hand?
G, H, J, K.
Actually, G and H are not included. J. So J na ang sunod. Habang yung dalawang thumbs naman natin, both of the thumbs are nasa space bar, no? So yung nasa J, K, L, M, N, semi, ko, so yung tuldok, yung period and comma na pinagsama, it's called semicolon, okay? All right, that's semicolon. So those are the home keys of our hands, okay? Home keys sa keyboard. So if your hands are at rest, so ipatong lang ating mga fingers on top of those keys, okay? All right, so punta tayo sa ating main discussion. Ating main discussion is about the Microsoft Windows. Ayan. So Microsoft Windows is the operating system, okay? Operating system found on most of personal computers that we're using, okay? So I bet kayo, yung naka-computer ngayon dyan, gumagamit kayo ngayon ng Windows. So yung Windows daw, sabi ay operating system. So kung say operating system, so which component of computer does Windows belong to? Hardware, software, or peopleware? Tanda pa yung components of computer?
Software.
Yes, software. All right, software. Yan. So most computers are using the Microsoft Windows. So kahit ako even me, Sir Yman, ano? So the operating system installed in my laptop is Microsoft Windows. Okay, so Microsoft Windows 10 to be exact. So yan ang ginagamit ko na...
Di ba sabi niyo meron po kayong Microsoft Windows 11?
Meron na rin Windows 11 na na-release. So sa ngayon, naka-Windows 10 pa ako. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-upgrade ng Windows.
Paano po nag-upgrade?
So you're going to reinstall a new Windows. Yun yan, yung Windows 11. So you're going to install a new one para magkaroon ka ng Windows 11. So magkakaroon ka ng panibagong Windows or panibagong operating system. Alright, so on your book, actually sa book na pinagkuhanan ko ng inyong module, originally, it was teaching about Windows 7. And I think most of you are already using Windows 10.
Ang keyboarding pa?
Yes, yung merong keyboarding, ano? So, yung book ninyo, actually, this is the book that I'm using. So, ito yung ginagamit ko sa pagtuturo ko sa inyo. So, ang nakalagay dito is Windows 10. Ay, sorry. Is Windows 7. So, sabi ko, naisip ko, Windows 7 is already obsolete. Ano? And most of you are already using Windows 10. Ayan, ano? So, since kakaunti na lamang ang naka-Windows 7, I think, dapat Windows 10 na ituro ko sa inyo. Okay? So kaya naman, if you already have your new modules, ang makikita nyo doon ay about Windows 7. I admit that nag-tampered
Ano
ko.
po?
So,
Yung bago po yung keyboarding ko.
Bago po, may bago na po uling module. It's already posted sa ating Google Classroom. Okay? So, pag nakita nyo na yon, yes, that's right, Alex, that's right. So, mapapansin nyo dyan, kung mapapansin nyo, so I tampered some of the pictures and terms there sa inyong module. Kasi binago ko pinalitan ko ng mga terms na pang Windows 10. Okay? Alright, so let's proceed now, ano? Alright. So yung nakikita nyo ngayon, yan. So yung buong palibot na yan. So that's called desktop. Okay? Ang tawag din ay desktop. So desktop is the very first thing that you will see or that appears on the screen once the computer power is turned on. Okay, so the desktop refers to the background of the screen on which windows, icons, and dialog boxes appear. So yan yon. So by default, ito ang makikita nyong desktop. Okay, by default So halimbawa, bagong install lang inyong computer, so ito makikita nyo, this is the blue background. So ito naman sa ilalim. Right? So let's punta tayo sa parts of the desktop, okay? The parts of the desktop, first is, okay, so itong nasa left part,
Icons.
so they are called icons. Very good. Icon. And then, this blue background, so itong blue
Wallpaper.
yes, that's called wallpaper. Yan. So the whole background itself, yung nasa likod niya, wallpaper ang tawag dyan. And then, nasa left, nasa bottom left corner, yan.
Notification error. Start button.
Start button. And then, yung nasa bottom, yung bottom bar na yan, it's called the
Taskbar.
taskbar. Okay? Lastly, yung nasa right, nasa bottom right.
Notification area.
Yes, that's the notification area. Yan, ano? Okay, let's identify each, ano? Explain natin isa-isa. Okay, icons tayo. Start tayo sa icons, ano? So these icons are small pictures, okay? So they are small pictures displayed on the desktop. Okay, so these icons represent the programs installed on your computer. Actually, this should be on, not in. So lahat so yung mga naka-install dyan, some of them are represented here sa icons na to. Okay? So pwede nyo ma-access ang inyong mga programs by clicking the icons over here. Let's say you want to play a movie like using the VLC player. So this is the icon of the VLC player. So pwede kayong manood diyan. Or if you want to surf the browser, gusto nyo ay mag-internet. So you're going to pwede kang mag-Mozilla Firefox, pwede mong buksan itong Microsoft Edge or the Google Chrome. Yan. So these are the icons that pwede mong i-click. Actually, double-click dapat, ano? So you should double-click yung mga icons na gusto mong i-access. Alright?
Okay.
So, Sa isa na yung most common or the common icons found on the desktop. Okay, so first natin ay ito itsura, no, this PC. This PC, so ito yung icon niya. So ito yung itsura ng icon ng this PC. So by default, you'll be seeing these icons already on your desktop, ano? So ito yung isa sa mga most common niya. First is this personal PC or this PC. So this PC displays local folders and several types of local, removable, and network drives. Okay, so this PC displays yung mga local folders natin. So drives and folders are represented by icons din. So pag binuksan natin yung this PC, makakita po ulit tayo ng panibagong mga icons. May mga icons ng folders, may mga icons ng drives, may mga icons ng network drives. Okay? So this PC. So yun yung isa sa mga icon na makikita natin. So itandaan yung itsura ng ng icon. So by default, ito yung icon ng this PC. Ganyan ang itsura. Okay? Next is the user's files. So user's files stores and manages documents, program settings, and other files used by the user. Ito yung dating documents. Actually, files pa rin ito, user's files pa rin eh. Pinagsama-sama lang, meron ditong documents, meron ditong pictures, music, videos. Yan. So once in-open nyo to, user's files, makakakita kayo ng mga panibagong folders, yung music, pictures, videos, and lots of files. Kung ano man yung mga files mo na ginawa, dyan mo makikita sa user's files. Hey, any question before we proceed? Okay, we're good? Okay, So user's files, at nakakadalawan tayo. First is this PC, tapos user's files. Next is recycle bin. Okay,
recycle bin ako.
Alright. The recycle bin.
Ako po din.
And so makikita niyo yan sa inyong desktop. Okay, so I think this is the only icon that you'll be seeing on your desktop by default sa Windows 10. So recycle bin is the temporary storage for deleted files. So when you had deleted a file or files, they will be stored in the recycle bin. Okay? So in case you have deleted a file by accident, you can still restore it from the recycle bin. So yung nasa left na to, yung nasa left, so this icon, kapag empty, kapag walang laman yung recycle bin mo, kapag wala kang deleted files, ganyan ang itsura. Okay? Now, let's say you have deleted a file. So sabi ko nga, it will be stored in the recycle bin temporarily. Ganito naman ang itsura niya kapag may laman ang inyong recycle bin. Okay?
Sa akin po mukhang meron.
Meron. So yan.
Tinignan ko po recycle bin ko po meron po laman.
So kapag may laman, ganito ang itsura niya. Kapag wala laman, ito naman nasa left. Okay? So para
pag isa lang po yung ilalagay mo din sa recycle bin ko, bigla na lang po mapupuno.
Yes. Kahit isa lang, mapupuno kagad siya. So for you to be able to empty your recycle bin para maging ganito ulit itsura, so what you're going to do is right-click, You're going to right-click the recycle bin. Itapat niyo muna yung mouse. So itapat niyo muna yung mouse sa i-hover niyo muna yung mouse sa ating recycle bin. Then right-click, press the right-click mouse. Yung right mouse button, i-pindot natin. And then choose empty recycle bin. So may ganong options yun. Okay? So once you choose the empty recycle bin, babalik siya sa ganitong itsura. Okay? So the icon will be emptied. Right? Do you understand?
Yes.
About the recycle bin? Okay, ganun Alright, next natin is the Microsoft Edge. Yan. Microsoft Edge, anong papansin nyo rito sa icon na to? Mukha siyang anong letter? So actually, originally, Microsoft Edge ay letter E. Malinaw na yung letter E. So, nagbago yung kanyang icon. Naging ganito na siya. I don't know, no? Pero so, pinaganda nila. In-improve nila. So, this is Microsoft Edge icon. So, this launches the web browser. So, if you're going to browse the web, or if you're going to, sabi natin, you're going to watch YouTube. So, pwede kayo sa Microsoft Edge manood ng YouTube. Actually, this is the new browser released by Microsoft to replace the Internet Explorer. Kasi yung Internet Explorer before, ano siya, sabihin natin characteristic na, no? Critical vulnerability. So medyo ano siya, medyo prone, ano? It's prone to viruses. Yung naunang Internet Explorer ng Microsoft. So they improve or they developed a new one, a new web browser, and it's called the Microsoft Edge. So ito na yung bagong lang browser, no? That is from Microsoft. And lastly, na common icons na makikita sa ating screen ay ating network. Okay? Network. So ito yung tsura ng icon niya. The network displays the other computers in the network. Napakita rin yung network printers and other computer resources connected to your computer. So if you are connected, or if your computer is connected in a local network, connected sa local network, you'll be seeing items or icons in the network folder. Kung hindi naman, kung hindi ka connected sa network, once you click the network icon, you'll just see an empty space in it. Okay? So empty lang. Wala kayong makikita anything pag in-access nyo ang network folder. Alright, so that's it for icons. Any question about icons? So meron tayong this PC. Next is users files, recycle bin, Microsoft Edge, and network.
9 minutes.
Yes. So next
So,
natin
wala
ay,
na po yun. Dati po, mama. Oh my God.
okay, so next natin, going back to the parts of the desktop. So like what I said earlier, so the whole background here is called the wallpaper. So it is the digital background of your desktop. Okay? So it is designed. It's designed to all sorts of themes, ano? So pwede mo siyang palitan eh. So by default, this is the wallpaper of Windows 10, this blue one, okay? Yung color blue na to. So when I first installed Windows 10 on my computer or on my laptop, ito yung kanyang background. So this is the wallpaper of Windows 10. So yung sa akin ngayon, sa aking desktop, or sa aking laptop, yung wallpaper ko hindi na ganito. Okay? So siyempre, napapalitan din yan eh. You can change it if you want to.
Paano po?
So ang pag-change ng wallpaper is, first is choose a picture. So hanapin mo yung picture muna na gusto mong ipalit. Okay? And then, pag napili mo na siya, right-click the picture. Okay, right-click nyo. Diba sa mouse natin, mayroong right mouse button. So you have to press it and then choose set as background. Okay? Set as desktop background. And then yun na, mapapalitan ng inyong wallpaper.
Pagkukuha ng picture.
So, siyempre, kailangan.
I-save ko sa cellphone, tapos i-save ko sa laptop.
Yes, that's right. So, kailangan nakasave yung picture na yon sa inyong laptop para mapalitan ng inyong wallpaper.
Paano kung na-save ko din sa cellphone, so ipapasa na lang po sa laptop?
Yes, that's right. Ipapasa sa laptop ang picture, and then, pag nakasave na sa laptop, so ira-right-click mo na siya. You're going to right-click the image or the picture and choose set as desktop background. Yun na yun. Madali lang magpalit ng ating wallpaper, okay? So pwede siyang family picture, pwede siyang ikaw lang mag-isa, pwedeng cartoons, anime, or whatever you want to place there as your wallpaper. Kahit anong pwede. Okay? Next natin is the, what do you call that?
Start button.
Button. Okay, start button ang tawag dyan. So if you click the start button, so pag click niyo yan, the start, this is where you can access all the programs on your computer. Okay? Lahat ng programs nandyan. So when you click this button, it will show you the entire programs menu. Okay? You will also use this button to change the settings on your computer. So again, kapag click niyo yan, so ito yung kanyang itsura. Minamaximize ko lang. So if you click the start button, the start menu will pop up and display the programs installed on your computer. So ito siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya once na naklik niyo yan. Alright? So ito yung mga programs that are installed on your computer. So ito rin yung sila. Yeah. So pwede siyang ganito ang setup ng start menu. Nandito yung inyong Microsoft Office. This is your browsers. And then this is the date. Okay. Okay, next natin is the start menu.
Walang assignment. Nagtatalk pa si
Start
teacher.
menu ang tawag dito. Okay, next is so yung whole bottom part na to, the whole bottom part is called the taskbar.
Taskbar.
So taskbar is where the start button is located. So dyan yung makikita yung start button. So the taskbar sits, okay, the taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen, giving the user access to the start menu, as well as the icons of frequently used applications. So actually, Windows has this ability to run several programs at the same time. And the taskbar switches the task back and forth. So halimbawa, lahat ito naka-open. Okay? So let's say all of these programs ay nakabukas or naka-open. Pwede kang mag-switch back and forth sa kanila by clicking the icons na nasa taskbar. Alright? So ito yon, taskbar ang tawag sa buong yan. Okay, so medyo mahaba-haba pa yung ating last na notifications area. But this is called the notification area, okay? Yung nasa right corner natin. Okay, so the notification area, so it provides a temporary source for notifications and status. Okay? It also displays icons, programs, features that have no presence on the desktop. Sometimes, hindi pa sometimes, some also call it as the system tray. A system tray din ang tawag sa notification area. So as you can see, the notification area is located at the right end of the taskbar. Okay, so it contains icons you might find yourself selecting or pressing pretty often. Mayroong battery. So if you're using a laptop, may makikita kayong battery. Okay, so merong Wi-Fi. Meron ding volume, clock and calendar, action center. Okay, yan yun. So it provides status and notifications about things like incoming calls, incoming emails, mga updates, and network connectivity. Abot pa kaya? Okay, abot pa naman siguro tayo sa time. So let's have a closer look on the notification area, no? Okay, so ito, no? Nag-crop muna ako ng notification area para mas malaki. The common icons found on the notification area are, so first is date and time control. So ito yon. So you can see the date, you can see the time. Of course, nga. So as simple as that. So it displays the current date and time, ang date and time control, okay? As simple as that. Yun lang ang kanyang definition. So it displays the current date and time. Next is the volume control. This is the volume control. icon or button, this enables you to adjust and change the volume level of your speaker or headphone. So, dyan yung ina-adjust ang ating volume. Kung gusto nyo palakasin, kung gusto nyo pahinain ang volume. Okay, install device. So, this icon is where notifications pop up once a new hardware is inserted into any of the USB ports. So, halimbawa, meron kang ipinalsak sa ating USB port, magpa-pop up ito. And it will show notifications na meron kang bagong device na in-install. Okay? So that's install device. And lastly, network. So network icon shows in the notification area when the computer gets connected to the internet. So if you're connected through a Wi-Fi connection, so ganito yung itsura, no? Yan ang itsura ng Wi-Fi connection if you're connected. Through Wi-Fi, ha? Through Wi-Fi. But if you're connected through a LAN cable, kung naka-LAN cable ka naman, ganyan naman itsura niya. Okay, ulitin ko, ha? Kapag ka Wi-Fi, hey, ito itsura ng Wi-Fi connection. Okay? Na mabuti, ha? Kapag naman ikaw ay naka-LAN connection, ayan, ganyan naman itsura ng ating icon. So, dalawang klase, no? Kasi nga, our laptop, pwedeng makakonect sa internet through Wi-Fi and through LAN cable. So, ako dito kay Sir Yman, I'm connected to the internet through LAN cable. So, pag naka-LAN cable, ganyan ang itsura niya. Kasi mas reliable kasi kapag naka-LAN cable ka compared with Wi-Fi. Kasi pag Wi-Fi connection, merong fluctuation of signal yan eh. So, pwede siyang mag-fluctuate. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang humina yung signal. And then, kapag ka ganon, there's a tendency na maputol or ma-disconnect ang ating call. Alright? Okay, balikan natin ano. So, una is